Okay, now on to the main course. Okay, nice wintry warmer. So we've got some polenta, wet polenta. We've got like a ragu made with the stock from the mutton and some Paso red wine. And the mutton was obviously cooked in the red wine too, and there's the mutton. Got some roast cabbage, some beautiful Berkswell cheese, and some garlic parsley. So first job, let's get our polenta on the go. If you've done this before, then you might remember how to do this. So the first thing, I'm just going to get in there. And we're going to turn it down very low to start with. We'll add a little bit of milk, or you can add water or stock or oat milk if you're going for the vegan option. And then as we go, we're just going to sort of break it down. Next pan, get that on, and we'll get our ragu sauce in, our Paso ragu. Spanish wine, Italian dish. It's from Somontano, is it? Is that right? Somontano? But it's Paso Primero from the lovely Tom. Spanish wine, Italian dish, British mutton. So once the sort of heat starts getting through it, it will melt a little bit. I'm happy that won't take too long now. So, the oven's on, good and hot. I'm going to get my roast cabbage. I think this is one of my favourite ways to eat cabbage. It's pretty banging. Okay, cabbage in the oven. I reckon it's going to take 10 minutes at about 180. And by that time, this all should be finished. So let's just take a fair bit of liquid. That's going to be it now. There you go, almost like mashed potato is the final consistency you're looking for. Okay, we'll taste it. Always taste as you go. Delicious. Ragu's on the simmer. I'm just going to take half of the garlic parsley that I've got and just stir that through. And I'm just going to take maybe like a third of the cheese. Just finish that off in there. There's a knob of butter that I just put in at the start, but you could save it for now and then just chuck that in. I'll give it an extra bit of sheen, and it's just a nice way to finish off the polenta. And these guys are sizzling hot. So I'm going to go pretty classic, I reckon. I'm just going to bang it all in the middle and pile it up. So I'm just going to spread that as a little nest. Lean that going there. And in there. Take the rest of our cheese. Sprinkle on top. GP all over.